I am Ivan Michael Siajanso, Batangas State University, Bachelor of Science Information Technology, Section IT 2102, and for this activity, I'll be doing the Packet Tracer in NetACAD CCNA Routing and Switching. This is in Chapter 7, it is in page 7.4.1.2, and this is a Skills Integration Challenge. So I got here the topology and the guide questions here. So here's the addressing table. It has a device, interface, IPv4 addresses, subnet mask, IPv6 address, and the default gateways. So our scenario is, your company has won a contract to set up a small network for a restaurant owner. There are two restaurants near each other, and they all share one connection. The equipment and cabling is installed, and the network administrator has designed the implementation plan. Your job is to implement the rest of the addressing scheme according to the abbreviated addressing table and verify connectivity. So the requirements is, complete the addressing table documentation, configure R1 with IPv4 and IPv6 addressing, configure S1 and IPv4 addressing, S2 is already configured, configure manager A with IPv4 and IPv6 addressing. The rest of the clients are already configured, verify connectivity. All clients should be able to ping each other and access to websites on accounting.pka and website.pka. So let's try do this activity. So now I'll configure first the router here. So open the CLI. So enable, configure terminal. So we are in the configure terminal. So we are going to put the IP address of the gigabit internet. So interface gigabit internet, first of 0/0, then IP address is, the IP address of this is, as you can see here, it's 176 there. So let's paste. And we're also gonna put the subnet mask. Copy the subnet mask and paste. Then no shutdown command. So we are going to add the IPv6. So to add the IPv6 address. So it's IPv6 address. So IPv6 address. We must get the IPv6 address. So here's its IPv6 address. Let's copy it and paste. We have copied the IPv6 address. Now press enter, then IPv6 address for the link local again, IPv6 address, then the link local. Here's the link local. We copy this, paste, then we must put a link -local there. So we have this the link local. So now we're going to save this configuration. So copy, running -config start up config. So I forgot to exit. Let's copy this first. Space. Copy, running config start up config. There we have copied it. So now let's enable again. Now we are going to this for the gigabit Ethernet. Gigabit Ethernet 0/1. So let's go to the interface. Gigabit Ethernet 0/1. We are so with IP address. So the IP address of 0.1 is its IP address is here. Let's copy this and paste. So also the subnet mask. So let's copy this subnet mask. Now that we have placed the IP address and the subnet mask, we're going to go to the no shutdown command. Then after the no shutdown command, we are going to add the IPv6. So IPv6 address. So the IPv6 address, we're going to get the IPv6 address. So here it is. Let's copy this and paste. An IPv6 address again. So the link local, so it's link local again, and paste and type link local and no shutdown. We don't need the no shutdown command, so let's exit this. Over here, let's save it. Copy running config, then start up config. There we have saved it. So now we're going to configure switch 1. So here, the switch 1, go to the CLI. When we're in the CLI, let's enable configure terminal, then go to interface VLAN 1. We're in the interface VLAN 1, put the IP address of S1. For switch 1, the IP address is this. Let's copy this and paste. And also the subnet mask. Let's try that again. IP address. Let's copy this. Let's paste and the subnet mask. Here we have placed the IP address and the subnet mask, so we put the no shutdown command again. After putting the no shutdown command, we exit. Then the IP default gateway. So the IP default gateway of switch 1 is this 172.62 and 10.1. Paste. We have placed the no shutdown command. Now we're going to, so let's save this configuration first. So copy running config start up config. Copy with that. So now let's go to manager A. As we can see, there are now connections here. Now we go to manager A. We're going to configure its IP configuration. So the IP address for IP address of manager A is 172 this. Copy the IP address, paste in the subnet mask. We copy the subnet mask, then the default gateway. So its default gateway is this 172. Let's copy it and the default gateway. So the DNS server is I think it's 172.16.10.66 if I'm correct. So now we're going to copy this IPv6 address. So its IPv6 address is I think here this IPv6 address. Let's copy and paste it in the IPv6 address, then it's /64. Then IPv6 gateway. So the IPv6 gateway is, we put this link local. Now that we have placed that, let's IPv6 DNS server. So the IPv6 DNS server is IPv6 DNS server. Let's see. So I'll just pull it. So it is 2000. So 2001 EB8 and cafe 2 if I'm correct. So here I'll show you the completion is 80. So we have successfully configured the topology. Now let's try pinging. So let's try pinging manager B using manager A. Let's copy the IP address of manager B. So go to manager A. So command prompt and ping, and then we paste. Let's see, it's pinging. So now it's replying. So we have configured that. Let's try again. Ping and paste. We got all 4 replies, 4 sent and 4 replies. So now let's try to go to the web browser and try to go to accounting server. Hit go to the accounting server, so it's working. Then the website at EKA. Then let's go again. Here, Three Restaurants website. So we have done all the requirements for this activity. We have answered it correctly. So I hope you learned something from watching me doing this bucket racer activity. So that's all for this video, and thanks for watching.